So I've had a couple of clients that have been just Fed sitting, waiting for the rates to drop. And we saw a little tiny drop. And then the Feds announced they're gonna drop the rates. Yeah?
They did.
Yeah, and everybody's right, and they did drop the rates. But guess what? What happened to our interest rates?
Mortgage rates actually went up a little bit.
Okay, so I know people keep wanting, they can't separate the two. They think, oh, Fed's lowering the interest rates. Obviously, my home rates are going to go down, but that is not what happens all the time, right?
No, they're related for sure, but they're not directly related. Mortgage rates are more tied to the 10-year treasury. And what happened was, since mortgage rates are so predictive, and all the banks thought, yeah, they're going to do exactly what they say they're going to do, which is cut by a quarter point. That's exactly what happened. But then the comments after actually drove mortgage rates up a little bit, where the Fed Chair Jerome Powell was saying things like, we're still a little bit worried about employment and inflation, and that kind of spooked it a little bit. They're not up drastically, like not even a half point really. It's just like these minor swings happen every day. But I just wanted to highlight, it's interesting that the Fed cuts the overnight rate, but mortgage rates aren't really that affected or even go up a little bit.